Hey guys, these are the Fiskars PowerGear2 Loppers. Just want to do a quick review and tell you how happy I've been with them and then a little bit about why. So first off, I'll say they have these really nice grips on the handle. So I've cut down a lot of trees in my yard. You see, I'll do just a quick demonstration in a minute. I cut this stuff down last year with them, but you know, compared to the other ones, it's kept me from getting like lots of blisters. And then just the overall kind of gear mechanism on them, how they open up here gives you really good leverage, so it makes it easy to cut through kind of larger branches compared to other styles that I've had. So again, I cut this down last year, but just so you can quickly see, it's a fairly big branch still. They go around there nice and easy, and it cuts right through them, like hardly, just a little bit of effort. So they've been really nice. I think it's probably one of the best investments I've made to have in my yard for things like this. I strongly recommend them.